guys, welcome back to my channel Teen Makeup Legend. Today I'm going to Pagatil Mall for Ramzan grocery shopping. Today I'm doing A to Z Ramzan grocery shopping. We are entering the Pagatil Mall. Or we will go to $1 shop. Let's go. This is stationery corner. There are so many clips and bows and ponies. This is full set of hair accessories. Also set of clips and ponies, little catchers and beautiful cute clips. So teeny glosses. These are in many colors. This mini beautiful lace. These are very beautiful and shiny nails. It have also charm on the center of the nail. And white theme nail color. Variety of nails. Ethnic collection is very beautiful and unique. I'm in Carco to do Ramzan grocery shopping. How unique and elegant cups are there. This is very beautiful. And they have plates, bowls, and many shape of things to put the dates or anything. I love this fish shaped snack dish. This beautiful cup section. Very beautiful. It's in flower print. These cups are very elegant and pretty. Like coffee cup. Like this sauce tray is very beautiful. It have also tiles. And these beautiful emoji cups. These are very beautiful. And these sceneries and mirrors. These are very elegant and it can use for decorating. For water bottles, it have maroon color, dark blue and white. In this fruit chaat masala and this mayonnaise, this strawberries, how red is they are. And these strawberries, these are blueberries. And these are white. My favorite corner is this because I love chips and there are only chips. Love Lay's and other chips, but I also love these chips because these are very yummy and spicy. That's all today. If you like today's video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.